Adamsdown Primary School is a large, diverse primary school set in the centre of Cardiff. We welcome children from all over the world, and we are very proud of our focus on community-focused schools work to support that.
The value of community-focused schools is huge and should be advocated in every school. It's about breaking the generational barriers between the links with home and school, working with their education, their health and their well-being to improve all outcomes.
A family engagement officer is important in schools because it means if the family have somewhere to go, a specific person in the school for them to go to if they have any worries or problems with home life or in school.
A family engagement officer is a vital role in our school. It provides a link between parents and the school. So, for example, they might come and ask the family engagement officer for support with housing, benefits, managing their children at home, and it's a really vital position in the school where the parents feel they can come into an open, trusting environment and speak to somebody who is able to support just them and their needs.
One thing we have is families learning together, and if parents will come in, do an activity with a child, and then they come in with a big hug for the parent, which is lovely, and then they can take the activity home, and it just sort of cements that role of the parent, the child and the school working together as one.
We have made a decision that the community-focused school aims will help us support the diverse needs in our school. For example, we have nearly 40 languages in the school. By going and using our community links, charities in the area, councils and agencies who can support our families, we are able to provide bespoke support to a range of families who arrive from across the world in very different circumstances.
A great highlight of what's working well in this school is we've got a really big community that works together. We listen to parent voice, we've got parent champions, so everything's really tailor-made to what the school needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all, so it's really purposeful.
Adult learning helps us support our families. Quite a lot of them have had poor experiences of school themselves. By allowing them to come into the school and learn through a variety of courses on a variety of different interests, it allows the parents to rebuild relationships with school and develop trust.
We have a saying in Adamsdown, the children, they can have a wobble, which is exactly the same as the parents. So if they have a worry, we call it a bit of a wobble, and they can just come in and have a cup of tea with me and just say, right, what's your problem? What's your worries? How can I help? And I think that's really important in our community.
The curriculum's influenced massively. What we look to do is work with lots of different providers. Business support, for example, we have contractors coming in and providing aspirations for those children. We have a really lovely saying that if you can't see it, you can't be it. So with things being really visible, such as different career pathways coming in, working with the curriculum, it gives these children a real sense of where they can go in life that they might not have without this.
Our pupils benefit from being in a community-focused school through the authentic experiences we're able to provide in their curriculum provision, and when we ask them about the things they enjoy in school the most, they always say the experiences, the trips, the visitors, the community links that we have been able to bring into school and take them out to. They always say that that's their favourite part of school.